Now, let us learn about the conditional statements. Okay. So, conditional statements are the statements which will be having some of the conditions uh, like 3 is less than or equal to 1, true or false, like that. They are going to tell some conditions. So, first conditional statement we are going to see is if condition. So, the basic syntax for the if condition is if of condition, whether it satisfies. If yes, it's gonna print this line. That's the statement 1. And else it's gonna print this line. That's the statement 2. So what if you are having some more, like if condition 1, so statement 1, what if you are going to have condition 2, condition 3, likewise. So for this you have to use if statement. If of condition 2, you are going to print the statement. Likewise if condition 3, statement 3, likewise. And in the last you have to end with else tag. Okay, so this is how the if else tag works. So in the last video we learned about the conditional statement, that is the if else conditional statement. So in this lecture we are going to learn about printing the statements using conditional loop. So we have given the marks where if it is equal to 90 or if it is greater than 90, then it have to print A, grade to be equal to A. Likewise, if the marks is between 90 and 80, then the grade should be equal to B. Similarly, if the marks is equal to 70 and if they are between 80 and 70, then it have to print C as the grade. So 70 or below, then it have to print D as the grade. Now let me open the VS Code. Here I have created a marks.py file. Here if grade equal to, if marks is greater or equal to 90, then print grade A. Likewise, if marks is greater or equal to 80, and if it is less than marks is less than 90, then it have to print grade to be equal to B. Likewise, LF marks greater or equal to 70 and marks is less than 80, then it had to print grade C, else then print grade. So now let us run this program. Let me save. So we get an error. Here marks is not defined. So let me create a variable named marks. So here I am assigning a value for the marks to be equal to 70. Let me say. So now let me save and run. So marks is 70, right? So it have printed grade to be equal to C. So it is in this block of code where it is between 70 and 80. So it is printed like grade C. So this is the example for the conditional statement if else block. So now let us take a practice problems wherein write a program to check if the number entered by the user is odd, or even. So we all know even stands for the multiples of 2 and above, like 2 into 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Odd numbers are equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. So you have to create a program wherein it is able to check if the number entered by the user is odd or even. So have it a try and let me know if you can't solve. I would help you. So, and the next second practice problem would be find the greatest of three numbers entered by a user. So I might enter like 10, 20, and 30. So here the greatest of these three numbers is 30. So you have to put this whole statements in the if else block and you have to print the output equal to 30. That is the greatest of these three numbers. So this is the second practice problem. And then the next third one, you have to check if a number is multiple of 7 or not. Multiple of 7 or not. So, I think I'm going to do this problem here itself. So, just have it a try this one and then this one. So, this is the first program, practice problem. So, let me create a file wherein you have to check the multiple of 7.py. So, first you have to take a number. So, input. You have to ask the user to enter a number. Okay. And then if number modulus 7, if it is equal to 0, then print the number is a multiple of 7. Okay. Else then it is not a multiple of 7. Now let me save this and let me run. So it is asking me to enter a number. Hope you can see down here. So 7, yes, the number is a multiple of 7. So let me run again. So enter a number. Let me enter 13. 13 is not a multiple of 7. So this is the program for this question. So have it a try and let me know in the comment section whether you can solve it or not.